Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a guide on the Google Search Console. I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Google Search Console as a complete beginner. This is one of those platforms that once mastered can give you absolute superpowers when it comes to elevating your web presence. And despite the immense value that this platform offers, I've noticed a lot of people still don't properly know how to tap into the Search Console capabilities. So to get started, what exactly is Google Search Console? Essentially, this tool allows webmasters to review critical performance data about how Google interacts with and indexes your websites. And the reports provide transparency into which keywords and pages are driving traffic, how sites appear in search results, technical health issues impacting performance, and so much more. So without the Search Console tool, site owners operate completely blind to this back-end diagnostics on their discoverability and accessibility. Search Console data guides smarter decisions about SEO optimizations, troubleshooting errors, prioritizing content upgrades, and overall growth strategy based on real search analytics rather than guesses. And this visibility means directing the effort towards pages and topics demonstrating traction while phasing out ones failing to resonate. You can think about how much time and energy you can save with this. And now that we know more about Google Search Console, how do we get exactly into it? And gaining access requires verifying site ownership through placing a unique meta tag or HTML file on the server. This connects your domain profile within Search Console. Essentially, complete registration via a Google account, submit property URLs, and then validate as owner through the DNS or file confirmation. And once installed, the dashboard displays containing the motherload of reports every webmaster should obsessively analyze. When navigating the Google Search Console interface, logging into it, the layout may seem a little bit overwhelming initially, but once you've got the hang of it, it will appear pretty easy and intuitive to navigate. On the left sidebar, various data modules contain different reporting slices, and I'm going to tell you about the most beneficial ones. The main overview dashboard greets you displaying a snapshot of general site health and top metrics, such as the daily search clicks, valid indexed pages, enhancement opportunities, and top performing pages. And this perspective lets you instantly monitor momentum and surface any glaring problems under the hood. The Search Console Insights box also calls out individual URLs ranking well that may warrant further TLC and promotion based on visibility. Now diving deeper, my favorite reporting for guiding growth is within the performance module, specifically under the search results and queries. Search Analytics starts tracking a few key performance indicators over time, and the ones that I normally watch for my own websites are the clicks, which is the total users that clicked site in results. Impressions is the times site appeared in results. Click-through rate as clicks divided by impressions. And the average position, which is the typical site position rank. Now, why would you care about these metrics? Because observing trends with enough time series data reveals what content resonates. And if I notice certain topics gaining more impressions but low click-through rate, that indicates my snippet and titles fail enticing clicks. And that's when you would have to punch up your persuasive appeal. Or for example, watching average rank position creep up over months means that you're likely losing visibility and time for refreshed SEO optimizations and link building. So you essentially derive this intelligence by applying filters, whether by date range, country, device, or other stuff. And then you can isolate the filters to pinpoint what factors relate to shifts up or down, and then try to come up with fixes to test based on those insights. And beyond the SEO and content planning, Search Console also diagnoses technical health issues that may disrupt site performance if not addressed. The page experience section reveals warnings around core Web Vitals metrics that Google has confirmed relate directly to rankings. Of course, don't ignore those notifications. Left unresolved over long periods, these deficiencies subtly contribute to deprioritization in standing and traffic regardless of your other marketing efforts. I highly recommend checking health reports frequently as part of standard site maintenance. So you can also use Search Console as preventative care, giving you diagnostics comparable to routine physical checkups, protecting website health and vitality. And that will be a wrap on our Google Search Console overview. Thanks so much for watching this video. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.